Ask your pharmacist or doctor for advice before taking this medication. Always consult with your pharmacist or physician before starting any new medication or supplement. In the US, you can contact your doctor for medical advice about any potential side effects. You may also report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects and report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Ask your pharmacist or doctor for more information about how to use Ocean Blue Omega-3 plus D3. Be sure to consult with your pharmacist or physician before taking Ocean Blue Omega-3 plus D3. It's important to keep a list of all your medications and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. This will help ensure that there are no interactions or negative effects when taking this supplement. As for the benefits, Ocean Blue Omega-3 plus D3 can help support heart, brain, and joint health. The recommended daily dosage is 1 soft gel per day, and it's best to take it with a meal for optimal absorption. If you or someone else has taken too much of Ocean Blue Omega-3 plus D3 and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call the local Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can reach out to a provincial poison control center. Unfortunately, there is no official information available about Ocean Blue Omega-3 plus D3 at this time. However, this supplement is commonly used to support heart health, brain function, and overall wellness. It is typically taken once daily with a meal. The best time to take this supplement is usually in the morning with breakfast. Always follow the recommended dosage on the product label and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Ask your pharmacist or doctor for more information about how to use Ocean Blue Omega-3 plus D3. Always consult your pharmacist or doctor before taking any medication. When it comes to Ocean Blue Omega-3 plus D3, it's important to not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more details on how to safely discard the product. As for the uses of Ocean Blue Omega-3 plus D3, it can help support heart, brain, and eye health. The recommended daily dosage is 1 soft gel per day, and it is best taken with a meal. So, the best time to take it would be during breakfast or lunch. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.